After a vehicle has been repaired following a crash, many people assume they have been made completely whole. However, even if the repairs are performed properly, the vehicle may still be worth less than it was before the accident. This concept is known as diminished value. Diminished value refers to the reduction in a vehicle's market value caused by its accident history. In other words, even though the vehicle has been repaired, future buyers may still be willing to pay less for it because it was involved in a collision. One of the primary reasons for diminished value is vehicle history stigma. Today, vehicle history reports often reveal prior accidents, damage reports, insurance claims, and repair records. When a potential buyer sees that a vehicle has been involved in an accident, they may worry about hidden damage, future reliability issues, structural repairs, or whether the vehicle will perform the same as it did before the collision. Because of these concerns, many buyers simply are not willing to pay the same amount for a repaired vehicle as they would for a similar vehicle with a clean history. For example, imagine two identical vehicles with the same year, make, model, mileage, and options. One vehicle has never been in an accident. The other was involved in a collision, but repaired properly by a reputable repair facility. Even though both vehicles may look and drive the same, many buyers will still choose the vehicle with the clean history or expect a discount on the repaired vehicle. That difference in value is what diminished value attempts to measure. The amount of diminished value can vary significantly depending on factors such as the severity of the damage, whether structural repairs were required, the age of the vehicle, the mileage of the vehicle, the quality of the repairs, the type of vehicle involved. In general, newer vehicles, luxury vehicles, and vehicles with significant structural damage tend to experience greater diminished value than older vehicles with minor cosmetic repairs. Many vehicle owners are surprised to learn that a vehicle can be repaired correctly and still lose value simply because the accident becomes part of the vehicle's history. It is also important to understand that not every repaired vehicle has a strong diminished value claim. Factors such as the age of the vehicle, prior damage history, high mileage, and the extent of the repairs can all affect whether pursuing a claim makes practical sense. If you believe your repaired vehicle may have suffered diminished value, gather repair invoices, estimates, photographs, and any documentation related to the damage and repairs. Understanding diminished value can help you better evaluate your options after a crash and determine whether additional compensation may be available. If you have questions about diminished value or other property damage issues after a crash, feel free to contact us for a free 20-minute guidance.